really like Magic School Bus. I wish the Netflix reboot was any good. Hello everyone! Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Animate on Scroll library so that when you scroll down on a website, animations will happen, like this element where you can see it flips up when you get to it. But you can also have it do something else. If I just quickly change the animation, now when I scroll down, it'll do that. It'll zoom out. So you can do a lot of cool stuff with this, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started with part 1. So as you know, this video is being split into 2 parts, with part 1 being the CSS you kind of have to do so that it doesn't look like garbage, and part 2 being the actual API. So to get started, pop open your text editor, or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. And we're going to start, as usual, with a doctype tag. Exclamation mark, doctype, HTML. And I'm going to save this so that I get the nice HTML colors. I'm going to call this AOS for Animate on Scroll .html. Save. Next, open up a head tag. The CSS needs to be in the head, otherwise stuff won't work right. And you're going to need to copy the link to an Unsplash collection, which I have put in the description. Okay, awesome. So you got that link copied to the Unsplash collection, which I am using. It's just snow. So pop open a style tag right here. Style. And first we're going to style the div. Div. Open curly braces, and here we go. Border dash width colon 10px. So it's going to have a border that's 10 pixels thick. Next, border dash color colon white, because I want the border to be white. Border dash style colon solid semicolon. Background ground colon blue. So it's gonna be blue. And now color colon white. That's for the text. And width colon 40%. Semicolon. Height colon 20%. Semicolon. Text dash align colon center. So the text will be in the center. Vertical dash align colon middle semicolon. And line dash height colon 90px. So these last 3 lines, text align center, vertical align middle, and line height 90 pixels, means that the text in the div will be pretty much centered, which is what I want. If you don't want your text to be centered, you don't have to do this. Close up those curly braces, and let's move on to the body. Body, open curly braces, and now background, keep spelling things wrong, colon, space, URL, open parentheses, open quotes, and paste in that link to the Unsplash collection, close quotes and parentheses, and now no dash repeat, center fixed. What that will do is it'll make it so that the background is centered and it doesn't move if you scroll down. Next, background repeat. Background dash repeat colon no dash repeat semicolon. And now dash WebKit dash background dash size, colon, cover, semicolon, then dash Moz, M-O-Z from Mozilla, dash background, I can't spell, background, dash size, colon, cover, semicolon, then dash O for opera, dash background, dash size, colon, cover, and finally, just plain old, and finally, background, dash position, colon, absolute. And what that does is background position absolute means that the background won't move, just like what fixed does up there. And size cover just means it'll cover the whole screen. You have to do it 3 times for different types of browsers for some weird reason. Alright, close up those curly braces. Whoops, I opened some. And close the style tag. And close the head tag. Alright, next we're going to open the body tag. Body. And just to test this, we're going to put in some line breaks. BR, 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 BR. And we're going to put in a div. Div. And inside I'll just put hi there. Alright, close that div. Let's just add some more line breaks, because why not? Alright, and let's close the body. And, well, let's save this file. Pop open your browser. I'm going to make that window smaller. And you're going to find the file on your computer, and you're going to drag it into your browser, like so. And it says hi there, and it's kind of floating there. And there's the background, which covers the entire page. And it looks quite nice. And if you reload, again, the background is different because it's getting it from a collection. See all these nice icy things. And now, look out for part 2, coming January 20th, 2019. Yeah, I did that. I did that to you. You're gonna have to wait till next week.
Oh, rats.